If you're watching this, it means one thing. You're ready for a fresh financial start. Maybe life changed. Maybe plans didn't go the way you expected. Or maybe you finally decided it's time to build something for you. Today, I'm giving you the sweet blueprint, the exact roadmap to rebuild your income, create new opportunity, and step into the most powerful version of your second act. Before we start, subscribe to the Money Booster channel. This is where we create sweet content designed to help you grow income, confidence, and clarity every single week. And trust me, this year, you're not doing this journey alone. Let's talk about a feeling I know all too well, and one I suspect you might recognize. It's that sinking feeling of being utterly overwhelmed, yet feeling like you're standing still. You're working harder than ever, consuming every podcast, webinar, and free guide you can find. You're trying to build something meaningful, something that gives you freedom and financial security. But instead of moving forward, you feel stuck in a whirlwind of conflicting advice and endless to-do lists. I want to tell you something crucial right now. People don't fail because they're not capable. They don't fail because they lack passion or work ethic. They fail because they try to do too much, far too fast, with far too little clarity. It's the classic trap of information overload. You're told you need a funnel, a blog, a TikTok, a YouTube channel, and an email list, all by next Tuesday. This frantic, unfocused energy is the single biggest dream killer I've ever seen. It leads to burnout, not breakthroughs. It creates a cycle of starting, stalling, and stopping, leaving you right back where you began, only more exhausted and discouraged. Your second act, this new chapter you're trying to write, doesn't need more noise. It doesn't need another shiny object or a temporary hack. It needs a system, a clear, repeatable, and predictable framework that cuts through the chaos and guides your every step. That's precisely why I dedicated years to building and refining the sweet philosophy. It's not just a theory. It's a blueprint born from my own struggles and successes, and the successes of countless others I've guided. I realize that what we all crave isn't more information, but a structured path to implementation. We need a roadmap that tells us not just what to do, but in what order to do it, and why each step is critical for the next. The sweet philosophy is that roadmap. It's designed to replace frantic guesswork with calm, confident action. It's about building a solid foundation first, so that everything you build on top of it is stable, secure, and sustainable for the long term. So who is this for? Maybe you're restarting after a career change, a layoff, or taking time off for family, and the thought of starting from scratch feels daunting. Maybe you're a freelancer or consultant, brilliant at what you do, but you're tired of the feast or famine cycle of unstable income and constantly chasing the next client. You want predictability. Maybe you've been trying to get a side hustle off the ground for years, but it's never quite taken off, never generated the income you hoped for, and you're wondering if it's even possible. Or maybe it's simpler than all of that. Maybe you just want to feel in control again. In control of your time, your finances, and your future. You want to build an asset for yourself, something that isn't dependent on a boss or a single client. Something that gives you true agency over your life. These aren't just abstract scenarios. They are the real lived experiences of people who are now using this system to build the future they deserve. If any of this resonates, I need you to hear this loud and clear. Wherever you are today, you're not late. You are not behind. All those years, all those jobs, all those successes, and even the failures, they weren't a detour. They were the curriculum. You are starting from experience, and in the world of building a real, sustainable business, that is your single greatest advantage. Your wisdom, your resilience, your understanding of people, these are assets that a 20-year-old can only dream of. You don't need to unlearn anything. You just need to channel that experience into a proven structure. You're not starting from zero. You're starting from a position of strength. Before we dive into specific strategies, you must understand the philosophy that underpins everything. We call it the sweet philosophy, and it's the backbone of this system. SWEET is an acronym that stands for simple, useful, inspiring, timely, and empowering. Let's break down what this means for you. First, S stands for simple. If it's not simple, it won't get done. Complexity is the enemy of execution. Most people get stuck because their plan is too complicated. Our approach strips away the non-essential. We focus on the 20% of actions that generate 80% of the results, giving you one clear path. Next, U is for useful. This is our promise of practicality. Knowledge without application is just trivia. Everything we teach is designed to be implemented today to get you closer to your goals tomorrow. We give you proven, high-converting templates you can launch this week. It's about tangible progress, not just theory. The I stands for inspiring. Your second act should excite you. If you're not inspired, you won't take action. Inspiration is the fuel that gets you through the tough days. We help you connect your income goals to your life goals. It's not just about making money, it's about funding a life you love. Then we have T for timely. The digital landscape is a rapidly flowing river. A strategy that was revolutionary 2 years ago might be obsolete today. We are relentlessly committed to providing you with the most current, up-to-the-minute strategies, giving you a distinct competitive advantage and keeping you ahead of the curve. Finally, E stands for empowering, which is all about building your confidence. When a plan is simple, useful, inspiring, and timely, you gain unshakable confidence. Confidence builds consistency, and consistency builds income. This creates a powerful, upward spiral of success. More income boosts your confidence, which fuels even greater consistency. So that is the SWEET philosophy. It's the DNA of this program. Now let me show you how we put this into action with the SWEET blueprint, your roadmap for the next 90 days. Let's take a closer look. The very first step in transforming your financial future has nothing to do with spreadsheets, business plans, or marketing strategies. It happens right here, in your mind, because before your income changes, your thinking must change. This is the foundational truth that underpins every success story. You can have the best idea in the world, but if your internal monologue is filled with doubt and fear, you'll never take the necessary steps to bring it to life. Think of your mindset as the soil in which your financial goals are planted. If the soil is toxic, filled with scarcity thinking and self-criticism, nothing can grow. But if you cultivate rich, fertile soil, a mindset of abundance, possibility, and self-belief, then your goals will not only sprout, they will flourish. This internal shift is non-negotiable. It's the silent work you do behind the scenes that makes all the public victories possible. One of the most common mindset traps is the comparison game, especially in the age of social media where everyone's highlight reel is on full display. It's easy to feel like you're behind, but you must stop comparing your Chapter 15 to someone else's Chapter 1. Your journey is uniquely yours. Their Chapter 1 is full of raw energy and a blank page, but it lacks the depth, the wisdom, and the hard-won lessons that define your Chapter 15. You've navigated complex challenges, built relationships, and honed skills over decades. Their path is a sprint. Yours is a marathon built on resilience. Trying to trade your story for theirs would be like a seasoned author trying to write their first sentence again. It's a disservice to the rich narrative you've already built. Embrace your story, because your experience is your advantage, not a limitation. Every challenge you've overcome, every project you've managed, every relationship you've nurtured has equipped you with a unique toolkit. Where a younger person sees a wall, you see a pattern, a puzzle you've solved before in a different form. This is your strategic edge. Your years in the world have given you an intuitive understanding of people, an ability to see the bigger picture, and a patience that can only be earned through time. Don't discount this. It's your superpower in a world that often overvalues novelty and undervalues wisdom. Your experience is the lens through which you can identify real opportunities and sidestep the pitfalls that trip up the inexperienced. Now, knowing your experience is an advantage can sometimes lead to another trap, the pursuit of perfection. You might feel that with all your experience, your first attempt has to be flawless. This is a myth that paralyzes progress. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to get started. The first version of your website, your first client proposal, your first digital product, it won't be perfect. And that's not just okay, it's necessary. Getting started is how you gather real-world feedback. It's how you learn what works and what doesn't. Perfection is a finish line that doesn't exist. Progress, on the other hand, is a path you can step onto today. This brings us to the power of consistency. A small step done consistently beats a big step never taken. It's the compound effect in action. Spending just 30 minutes a day working on your business idea is over 180 hours in a year. That's more than 4 full-time work weeks dedicated to your dream. Grand sweeping gestures are exciting, but they often lead to burnout. It's the small, daily, almost boring habits that build empires. It's writing one page, making one phone call, learning one new skill, day in and day out. This approach is sustainable, it builds momentum, and it respects the reality of your busy life. Don't ever let age be a narrative of decline. Right now, it's a story of ascent. People in their 40s, 50s, and 60s are building the strongest businesses right now because you have discipline, perspective, and focus. You've learned discipline through decades of responsibility. You have perspective from seeing trends come and go, allowing you to build something timeless. And you have focus, a deep understanding of what truly matters, which allows you to cut through the noise and execute with intention. This is your prime. This is the moment to combine your life's wisdom with today's tools to build the future you deserve. Here's the sweet 4-week system anyone can follow. Week 1. Choose one sweet skill: freelance, editing, coaching, social media help, AI-assisted tasks. Week 2. Set up your first simple offer: one page, one price, one outcome, one client type. Week 3. Small audience, big results. 3 people to start, outreach, posting, micro content. Week 4. Your first $100-$300 online. That first win changes everything. Results multiply not with more effort, but with better structure. Skill stacking, automating small tasks, building a simple content presence. Your next level is just a smart move away. If you saw the February 18th short, that was your spark. This is the full roadmap. In the coming weeks, I'll break down each part of the sweet blueprint into short, hands-on steps so you can build your second act with clarity and confidence. Your second act is not a backup plan. It's your upgrade. You're not too late. You're not too old. You're not starting over. You're starting wiser. If this video spoke to you, take 2 seconds and subscribe to the Money Booster channel. You're joining a sweet community building skills, income, and a new life together. This year, you rise. Your second act starts now.